Hello everyone, today we're going to be looking into some of the functionality within AutoCAD that will allow us to take data from a spreadsheet, in this case Excel, and bring that information and synchronize it into AutoCAD. So in the background I have got this room details Excel spreadsheet that's going to have and contain some information about my building or about my project that I want to bring into AutoCAD itself. So just closing this so that AutoCAD can do the synchronizations in the background. We want to go within the Insert tab, Linking and Extraction panel, and grab the Data Link tool, or Data Link as the command. This will allow us to then go in and create a link between our existing document and an external document. In this case, I already have this rooms one here, but to create one is simply a case of selecting Create New Excel Data Link, selecting the name that we would want, so maybe Room Details in this case, and then choosing the file path that we want to place this to by selecting the spreadsheet that we're wanting to direct towards. Again, I have this one in place already, so I'm going to go and grab this Rooms one over here. And you can see that within this Rooms one, I can edit it as well, post creation, which will allow me to go and change any information surrounding this data link. I can then take that information and push this into an existing table that sits within my drawing. So I can come in and modify this drawing over here, rather the table over here, insert a new column. And inside of this cell over here, I can then simply go and begin the linking of this. So inside of the table, I've got the ability to link data in here to the cell. And I can go and choose one of those data links. In this case, again, my rooms one. As soon as that loads up a preview of this, I can then OK this and it'll bring all of that information in. If I want to go neaten this information out, for instance, I don't want to have duplicates of the name or the room numbers rather, so the entire room numbers column is not required as part of this one, I can simply go in and right click against the data, go to my data links and edit the link itself. This way it'll take me back into that option where I'm modifying the link itself. And I can then decide that actually I want to go towards a specific range, and in this case, rather than A1, which is in the top left, to C7 in the bottom right, I want to go B1 to C7. So I can type in the range that I want in here, and this will then go and change those values for me. If I hit preview, this will give me a quick preview of this, pinging the spreadsheet just to confirm the details that are going in. I can then hit OK, and this will then load that information in as I expect it to. I can also change the formatting of those cells to match the table that's already there. So grabbing the cells that I want to change the contents of, or the style of, I can then change these cells to data, and these cells to the header format. I can then readjust any of the columns that are required to ensure that we're not expanding this onto too many lines, and make sure that we've got all the details that we need from within. We could then also go through the process of updating the information from there. So if I just reopen that Excel spreadsheet, I could change any information that sat inside of this document. So say, for example, some of these need to change to electricity, and a few of these need to change to electricity and gas. Once I save and close this document, I can then do a synchronization from within AutoCAD. As you can see, it picks up that the data has changed. I could then either hit the update option down in the bottom right, or by going into my linking and extraction section, I can go and download from source and specify if I have multiple links, which link I'm specifying, or I can go and grab from all links. This will go and do a quick synchronization in the bottom right there, and all of the information has then been updated accordingly. So just a quick view at all of the data link options that are available to us from within AutoCAD. Until next time, bye for now.